is going to review how to find and submit an assignment. I'll just remind all of you that all of your assignments after the first assignment are all to be submitted on Blackboard through kind of the designated assignment folder. So let's go into the course documents folder. And I can see actually I've just finished completing tonight the library. I've reviewed the lectures for the library. I completed the readings, and I've also posted on the discussion board and responded to a peer. So I'm actually going to click Mark Reviewed, and as a result of that, the next week's folder is going to come up for me. So the next week's folder is the APA format, so I'm going to click on APA. And there's actually the readings folder, the lectures folder, and the assignments folder. So certainly you'll want to spend time in the readings and the lecture. And I'm actually just going to click into the assignments folder just to show you where this assignment is. You'll actually see that this right here symbol means this is something that you need to submit. This is like an assignment. And by accessing the assignment, to access the submission of the assignment, I can click on APA exercise. But first what you need to do is actually get the assignment. So you can see here APA exercise for students.docs. So by clicking on that, it actually, and again it depends on if you have a Mac or a PC. My Mac's dropping it down here to the bottom box. Perhaps on a PC it'll say open or save file. And I'm wanting to do that. This is the open or save file. This is going to be the APA exercise. And this, as it'll tell you kind of these are the directions of the assignment. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to just save this right to my desktop so that I can find this later on, when I need to submit this assignment. So I'm just going to save this, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to read the directions. Very important to read the instructions and what you need to do. I'm probably going to have a hard time answering questions if the answer is on page 1 of the directions, which it probably is. So read the instructions. There's an example of kind of what I want you to do in this assignment. And then you can see here is the beginning of the excerpt of this paper. And this is where you're going to look to make corrections to the APA format. Okay, and it's really just you know, a page and a half, and then the works cited page. Okay, so if you wanted to, down here, kind of at the bottom, you could start kind of noting what the errors are and what your correction would be, or you can start a new document, whichever you prefer. Let's just say I chose to kind of work in this document here, and I had everything, and I saved it, I did all my work. I'm going to go back to Blackboard, and I'm going to click on this APA exercise because I'm ready to submit this assignment. I'm going to click on APA exercise, and it's going to pull up kind of a little submission box. You're welcome to leave a little statement here for me, a message. This was the best assignment I've ever completed, so helpful. Anyway, you can click Browse My Computer. And I put that on my desktop. And you'll see this is my assignment right here. I'm clicking open. Might have to submit down here a little bit. You'll see here, right here, you'll see that this document was attached. Say perhaps you actually attached the wrong one. You attached, you know, something for your human behavior class instead. Click Do Not Attach right here, and again, browse my computer to find the correct document. Click Submit. And this is what you'll receive as a confirmation. This is the review kind of your submission that yes, in fact, you did submit the assignment. Remember, if you want to be extra sure I got this assignment, you click on Tools and My Grades. I can't do this because I'm not a student in my own class. And it'll show you what you've submitted and what your grades are so far. If you submitted this assignment to me, there will be an exclamation point next to APA format. That means it's in my inbox and I need to grade it. Okay? So that concludes this tutorial. Thanks so much and have a good day.